Getting harder now, the more welds you put on.
That looks pretty good to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, archive, Del, archive. Another bit of rear deck added. Map of Africa. Come on.
Perfect.
Like brand new.
Yep. Take a bit more off there. Lovely.
Yep.
Shut that door down, it's cold.
Well, now then, Mick, I want you to do what he does on that film.
What's that?
Jump up there, swing through.
No, you've got to have a handle above the...
Ah.
above... It
Well,
went,
handle on quick.
and maybe weld that top bit in a bit more. Be like a big guillotine that coming down on you. Yeah. Yeah, it just needs a bit more for there, doesn't it?
It's got a sort of angle, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There's a bit more off there.
Yeah.
It's cool for an angle.
I mean, in theory, it should go all the way, shouldn't it? You would think. Yeah, it's going.
Working it round. Rusty LED thing around.
Well, if you can do that over the bank holiday weekend, Del, continuously.
How far around it is now?
What door number do you want on it?
Number 10.
Look at that, all the way. That's your earth tag he's just took off of there. Oh, only 3 more rolls to drill.
One handed now. I'll get it back out there. WD162B and S.
What's that mean, Del?
Find out who cast this big now.
Yeah, we could do. Yeah. Well, this is the Prestone at Pullman. No, it's not. I can't remember. Baldwin Locomotive Company that made this tank.
They didn't, because we made most of it.
Well, apart from this bit. You're now an employee of the Baldwin Locomotive Company. Oh, don't it look pretty and green? We've still got loads to do, but we wanted to rub it down, see how much. We might have to smear a couple of bits of filler over some of the welds, but not a lot, just to bring it up so that it loses the weld. We're taking the wheel stations off anyway, so we just thought, we'd give them a quick black just to see what it looked like if it was all green. Well, that's one side. The other side sort of started, but we have got a big chunk of that gun ring that we've got to put in up the top here, and a few extra bits of curved plate that we've got to bend round. Cut the door out on this side, but we're getting there. Well, come back next week, see how we get on. Alright, do that again.
Cheers.
And we got Warren's, the pub, look.
That makes you change, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now we've got the evidence.
Yeah, look, he's got a beer in his hand.